In this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on the cooking class that we booked through Klook. I hope you enjoy. The class would start off at the marketplace. The chef toured us around explaining the ingredients we'll use during the class. She also taught us how to bargain with the locals. It was quite interesting, honestly, and I thought it would be quite boring, but it was not the case. So the tour was very informative and I really enjoyed it a lot. After the tour, we went to the class location. Inside you'll see 3 locations: the dining area, the place where we prepare the dishes, and the last would be the place where we cook our noodles. We were taught how to prepare 3 Vietnamese dishes. Number 1 is the spring roll, the second was the chicken, and the last one would be the Vietnamese noodle. I enjoyed every minute of the class. What surprised me the most was at the end of the class, I was able to cook 3 beautiful dishes. Honestly, they're so beautiful to look at, and once you taste it, you'll feel like you're in heaven. But anyways, I thought I can only cook eggs. But anyways, the teacher was so good that all of us in the class were able to create everything well. So not just me. The best thing about this class are the people in it. Honestly, the classmates that I had were one of the kindest persons that I've ever met. Even though we do have different culture, different perspective in life, we were able to have short, great time together. Even though it's quite short, but I believe that we enjoyed every minute of it. So anyways, lastly, here are the food that I cooked.